The Froude Number Interactive Calculator determines flow characteristics in open channels by calculating dimensionless parameters that classify flow regimes. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate Froude number, calculate flow velocity, calculate hydraulic depth, calculate critical depth, calculate critical velocity, or calculate specific energy. For this demonstration, we're using Calculate Froude Number. Enter your flow velocity in meters per second, hydraulic depth in meters, and gravity in meters per second squared. Additional inputs include Froude number for other calculation modes, discharge in cubic meters per second, and channel width in meters. Here's our example. With flow velocity at 2.5 meters per second, hydraulic depth at 1.2 meters, gravity at 9.81, discharge at 15 cubic meters per second, and channel width at 5 meters, click Calculate. The results show a Froude number of 0.7286, indicating subcritical or tranquil flow. The specific energy equals 1.519 meters. Since the Froude number is less than 1, this confirms subcritical flow conditions where gravitational forces dominate over inertial forces, typical of slow-moving rivers or canals. Find the link in the description below.